Hello, my name is Sneha Jen and I am in the 5th year of my Bachelor's in Architecture course here at Parul University. The experience here has been amazing, both academically and in terms of industrial exposure. The university offers the best courses that are perfect blend of theoretical and practical knowledge. We have been a part of the numerous workshops that allowed us to explore the dynamics of architecture at its finest. One of the finest part of the curriculum is to second to none global exposure that allowed us to learn about the architecture style around the world. The Faculty of Architecture provides to the state-of-the-art resources such as advanced labs and studios. The campus has perfect atmosphere that has enhanced my creativity and imagination. The practical learning exposure here we get is unparalleled because we have access to the prime resources that allow us to convert our designs into concept models. We also had a chance to learn from the renowned industry experts through exclusive talk sessions and seminars to get way to the real-time exposure to the recent advancements in architecture and get industrial training. What I love the most about being here is the atmosphere and the diverse community, which is friendly, open-minded, and this has just added to my learning experience.
We choose to see you here.